Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to computer class. Today, we are going to continue our chapter number 4, more on MS Paint. In our previous class, we did learn about MS Paint and Paint tools. Today, we are going to learn about menu bar. Menu bar has many commands with various options that can be used in MS Paint. Now let's learn about some options of the Paint menu. So here we are going to learn about menu bar. Opening a new document. To make a new drawing, or if you want a blank white page on a paint, we need to create new file. That is called to create new file. So follow these steps to perform the action or to create new file. So step number 1, click on the file tab. We have to click on the file tab, and step number 2, we have to select new option from the drop down menu. Click on the file tab and select new option. So here you can see a new blank file will be opened. Now let's learn to save drawing. Save command. It is called save command. It is important to save the work done in a paint after completion. Storing the work in a computer is called saving. Storing a work in a computer is called saving. Once we save our work, so next time we can reuse. Reuse means we can open it and we can make changes with it. Once file is saved, it can be reused any number of time. So follow these steps to save a drawing. So let's learn how to save our work in Paint. Now step number 1, click on the file tab. Step number 1 is click on the file tab, and step number 2, select the save option from the drop down menu. We have to click on the save option. Now as soon as we click on the save option, the save as dialog box will appear. This box is called save as dialog box. Now first we have to टाइप द नेम ऑफ द फाइल और द नेम यू वांट टू गिव टू द फाइल. आपको जो भी नाम देना है, हियर वी हैव टू टाइप. एंड स्टेप नंबर 4, वी हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द सेव बटन. सो दिस वे वी कैन सेव आवर फाइल in a computer, and we have to remember the address also where we are saving our work. The file, as soon as we click on the file tab, the picture will be saved in the .png format. Now let's learn opening an old drawing and whatever the drawing you have saved. So let's learn open command. Once we have saved a file, it can be opened for later use. So follow these steps to open a save file. Whatever the file once we are saving, and that file we can also opening. Now let's learn how to open. So step number 1, we have to click on the file menu. This drop down list will appear, and we have to click on the open option. We have to click on the open option. Now this dialog box is called open. Dialog box will appear. Now we have to select our file. You have to select the file. You have to search by the name. Select your file, and you have to click on the open button, or here you can write the name of your file, and we have to click on the open button. The file will open and appear in your paint window. Here your file is open. Now let's learn how to print a drawing. Whatever the drawing you have create, how to take print out of your drawing. Print command helps us to print a drawing or picture created in MS Paint. So follow these steps to print a picture. Now let's learn how to print a picture. Step number 1, we have to click on File tab. As soon as you click on the File tab, this drop down box will appear. Now we have to click on Print option. So this print dialog box will appear. Now here we have to select the printer from list. You have to select by the name of the printer here, and we have to specify the number of copies, means how many copies you want, 1 2 3 4, that number of copies we have to specify, and select the all or the pages. Suppose you have 2 3 or 4, so if you want all the copies, then you have to select all, and if you want only one picture, 2 number of picture, 3 number, so you have to select the pages and range, and we have to click on the print button to take a printouts. So this way we can print our drawing. Now let's learn how to close a drawing, and let's learn close command. Click on the File tab. Step number 1, we have to click on the File tab, and step number 2, we have to click on the Exit option. Click on the File tab and Exit option. We can also click on the cross button that is in the right upper corner of the Paint window to close a Paint program. There are two ways. We have to go to the File tab and Exit option, or we can click on this cross option. The computer will ask you to save a file by displaying a message. When you click on the yes or no button, they will ask you want to save your work or no. If you want to save, you have to click on the yes button. If you click on the cancel button, the Paint will not close and we can continue work on it. If we click on the cancel option, your Paint will not close and we can continue our work. Now let's learn setting a drawing as a desktop background. It means आपने जो पिक्चर ड्रॉ की है उसे हम अपने कंप्यूटर के बैकग्राउंड में कैसे सेव करते हैं. As a drawing is created in Paint, it can be saved as a desktop background also. So follow these steps to set a picture as a desktop background. So let's learn step number 1. Click on the File tab. The list will appear. Now we have to select Set as a background option from the list. We have to click on the File tab and we have to select Set as a background. Here we having 3 options. Here you can see we can select any of them: Fill, Tile or Center to set our picture as a desktop background. So here we are completing our chapter. We will learn new things in our next video. Thank you students. Bye bye.